Hey folks, welcome to Car Fix School. I'm Lewis, and today we're tackling a problem that can stress out any car owner, the dreaded emission system problem warning. When that check engine or emission light pops up, it's easy to worry. But don't panic, these warnings are common, and most of the time, they're caused by simple issues you can fix at home. In this video, I'll walk you through what your car's emission system does, why these problems matter for your car and the environment, and how you can solve the most common issues yourself. No fancy tools, no confusing jargon, just real solutions to save you money and keep your car running clean. Let's quickly break down what your emission system does. It controls and reduces harmful gases from your engine. If it fails, you might notice rough idling, poor mileage, sluggish acceleration, or even a rotten egg smell. The most common culprits: a loose gas cap, dirty mass airflow sensor, bad oxygen sensors, vacuum or EVAP leaks, and a clogged catalytic converter. Most of these are easy to check and fix at home. I'll walk you through each one, step by step. Let's start with the simplest fix, the gas cap. First up, the gas cap. A loose or damaged cap is a top reason for emission warnings. Unscrew your gas cap and inspect the rubber gasket. If it's cracked or smells like gas, replace it. Screw the cap back on until it clicks. A new cap costs less than $20 and can instantly solve your problem. Drive a few miles or use an OBD2 scanner to reset the warning. Always check this before anything else. If the warning stays, let's move on to the mass airflow sensor. Grab your tools, we're heading under the hood. The mass airflow sensor, or MAF, measures the air entering your engine and helps your car run smoothly. If it's dirty, you might notice the check engine light, rough idling, hesitation, or poor fuel economy. To clean it, locate the sensor just after the air filter box. Unplug the connector and carefully remove the sensor. Only use MAF Sensor Cleaner. Never use other sprays or touch the delicate wires, as they can break easily. Spray the sensor thoroughly. Let it air dry for at least 10 minutes, then reinstall and reconnect it. Always wear gloves and safety glasses for protection. Cleaning takes about 15 minutes and can fix many performance issues. If the warning light stays on, don't worry. Next we'll check the oxygen sensor. Ready? Let's go. Oxygen sensors monitor exhaust gases and help your engine run efficiently. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for codes like P0130 or P0167. If you get one, replace the sensor. Just unscrew the old, screw in the new, and clear the code. Bad sensors cause poor mileage and weird exhaust smells. Fixing this early keeps your engine healthy. Still have a warning? Let's check for vacuum or EVAP leaks. On to the next step. Vacuum and EVAP leaks are sneaky but common. Inspect all small hoses under the hood and near the gas tank for cracks or loose connections. Listen for hissing sounds. Big clue. Replace any damaged hoses with new ones from the auto parts store. Most leaks are easy to spot and fix. Reset your warning light and take a drive. If the warning's still there, let's check the catalytic converter. The catalytic converter turns harmful gases into less toxic ones. Signs of failure: poor acceleration, rattling noises, or a rotten egg smell. Scan for codes like P0420 or P0430. If it's clogged or damaged, you'll need to replace it, DIY if you're handy, or call a pro. After replacement, clear the codes and test drive. Your emission warning should finally disappear. That's it. You've learned how to fix the most common emission system problems yourself. These simple steps can save you hundreds and keep your car running clean. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to Car Fix School for more DIY car repair tips. Drop your car model and trouble codes in the comments. I love helping you out. Thanks for watching and keep those engines running smooth. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.